Second experiment, analog part. Copied on the second question. Using UA741 op-amp, using UA741 op-amp, design a 1 kilohertz relaxation oscillator. Design a 1 kilohertz relaxation oscillator with 50% duty cycle. With 50% duty cycle, and simulate the same. So in this experiment also we have both hardware as well as the software. So what do you mean by relaxation oscillator? So that is to generate the square waveform. So these are the components required for hardware experiment to rig up the hardware circuit to generate the square wave. We are going to use these components. This, however, we will study once it comes to the offline lab. So this is the designing part. So what is the designing part? Consisting of period of output rectangular wave is given as a, so that is the time of the output rectangle. Copied on the question. Copying is done. Copying is done. Okay. So this is the formula to calculate the time. So period of the output rectangular waveform means one complete cycle, that is T equal to 2RC logarithm of 1 plus beta divided by 1 by beta. So this is the formula you need to remember. So what is the value of beta? In the theory we have done it, right? Same formula. So beta equal to R1 divided by R1 plus R2. So here we are going to use the feedback output. That's the reason we are going to take the value for beta as a R1 divided by R1 plus R2. So now they told duty cycle as a 50%. Correct, right? They have told duty cycle as a 50%. However, in the last experiment, so that is your first experiment, we have done it for all the three cases: greater than 50, less than 50, exactly 50. But for the software part, we have done only for one experiment. Correct, right? For design, we have calculated for all the three cases, but for the software, we have done it for only 75%. And I asked you people to do it for another two. I don't know whether I have done or not. So here they are given duty cycle as a exactly 50%. So when it is duty cycle is 50%, R1 will be equal to R2. So R1 will be equal to R2. So when we apply this R1 equal to R2, we will be getting T equal to 2RC. We will be getting 2RC. So if you take one example, you can calculate this. Correct, right? So let it be this one. So however, we are going to do it in the laboratory. So this is the circuit of the relaxation oscillator for software. Okay, copied on the circuit. Copy down the circuit, all of you. Once you copy, drop the message in the chat box. Copied? Finished? Okay. So, however, you know how to rig up the circuit and you people know where are the components are under which library. Correct, right? Let me see how many of you people will design this. Open the software, rig up the circuit. Fast. Take your time, open this software, rig up this circuit. Can you do this? Can you people try this? Okay. Rig up the circuit then. If you have any doubts while reading up the circuit, you can ask. I hope everyone are doing it. If anyone facing problem, please let me know. Someone texted with the number 481. What is asking, ma'am? Is this the op-amp we are using? No, this is not the op-amp we are using for. See, this is the name of the op-amp UA741. Go to place part. In that part place, just type UA741. You will get the op-amp. See, the op-amp will be consisting of pin numbers 3, 2, 5, 6, 1, 3, 4, 7 and all. Ma'am, what about those who don't have laptop? Ankit, what can I do if you don't have laptop? When I don't have any other option. Okay. So if you don't have, let others complete. There will be few people, those who will won't get output. After some time, I will design it. You will look into it. Afterwards, there will be recording. You can watch that. Okay. Another once you come back to offline classes, you can try. If you, anyone friends are there nearby your place, you can go with them and you can do it. If you don't have any options, then you have to wait until offline classes. Why people are leaving the class? Ma'am, for earthing, should I have select ground or ground? Zero, you need to select. What is the value of C? You are not copied. 0.1 microfarad. 0.1 microfarad. Capacitor value, Yusuf. 0.1 microfarad. Muhammad Saif is asking for ground. In that, you need to select 0. Muhammad Saif, did you get it? Kamal 9, 3 into 10 to the power of 8. What is that? 3 into 10 to the power of 8. Kamal, what it is? Saif, please reply. Did you get that earthing? Grounding? Yes, okay. Kamal, may I know what is that? 3 into 10 to the power of 8? Step size, okay. Ah, take down the value. Run to time 4 milliseconds. Maximum step size 0.01 millisecond.